Even though we still have over a month to go before the announcement of the Galaxy S24, almost all of its hardware specifications have already been leaked. A few days ago, we also got a sneak peek at a feature in One UI 6.1 that helps keep the battery in good health. Now it's time to uncover features that will be introduced with One UI 6.1. This new version is expected to debut alongside the Galaxy S24 and later become available for existing Galaxy smartphones. A reliable tipster named Bennett Brunner Pro has shared some images, showcasing features of One UI 6.1 on X platform. One of these features is an AI-powered wallpaper generator that allows you to create wallpapers based on your input. It seems you can enter the name of a subject and choose a background. This feature will generate a wallpaper just for you. Additionally, the lock screen will offer options to add portrait effects and display weather information too. Another interesting addition is the built-in photo editor in One UI 6.1, which lets you easily move objects around by using drag and drop gestures. You can select an object from one image, place it in another with ease. Furthermore, it also allows you to expand your existing image collection with flexibility. For instance, you have the option to align photographs. The editing software will automatically add in any missing elements. Additionally, with the photo editing tool, you can easily redo changes like drawings and stickers. Apart from this, Samsung Notes will also include a functionality that condenses notes into bullet points, making them easier to read. Additionally, it can automatically format notes once they are converted to text. One UI 6.1 also introduces the ability to translate voice calls in time between languages for both participants. Samsung had previously announced this feature weeks ago as the implementation of Samsung GOS, their proprietary language model. Voice Focus, a feature on some mid-range and entry-level smartphones, will be extended to high-end phones through the One UI 6.1 update. The update also brings an adaptive protection feature that charges the phone's battery up to 80% initially and resumes charging before reaching 100% before the user wakes up. Moreover, there is a maximum protection option that limits battery charging to 80%. These are a few of the features offered by One UI 6.1 from Samsung. There are more reasons to anticipate the upcoming S24 lineup, so stay tuned for more updates on our channel. Feel free to subscribe if you enjoyed this video. Looking forward to seeing you in our next video. Take care.